All right, so now let's look at how I can actually create a discount in Celtic. Moving away from that, so let's go to this is our dashboard. Let's open our navigation bar and then click on discount. From here, I can create a discount. You can say I've created about two different discounts, right? So now let me create a discount. I can say, should I say maybe which festival? Um, can I use? Let's say Easter. If there's an Easter festival, I can decide to give like maybe 43%, right? If I'm using percentage, I'm going to use it. But if I'm using fixed amount, I'm going to use this particular place. Maybe I want to give 3,000 and then I'm going to remove this place. But for now, let's use percentage. So I'm going to delete this and then like for 3% discount. Then I'm going to create this discount by clicking on this button. Now this discount will be created for me automatically. Now after creating this discount, the next thing we're going to do is to go and create a package. A package is like maybe somebody came to buy a particular package, like you can say camping package for somebody going to camp, we comprise of everything that person need. Maybe yeah, into beauty, skincare. Maybe there is a face package that contains everything that person needs for the face. Maybe there is a manicure package that contains everything that person needs for the um manicure is hand, right? For the hand, for the fingers. So maybe there's a manicure package that contains everything that person needs for the hand, for the fingers, and then there's a pedicure package that contains everything that person needs for taking care of the what's it called, toes, right? And then maybe you can have overall package or everything package that contains everything that person needs for the body, skin, the face, and whatever that kind of thing. So you're going to create that package. So the reason for this is that maybe when somebody is buying kind of that package in bulk, the person might get like a discount of 5%, 10%, and things like that. So that's the reason for it. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then give it a name. Sorry, not here. I'm going to go back and then go to my packages, right? You can say I have back to school package. So I'm going to create a facials package. Let's say facials package, right? Let me say everything needed for face. So I will just select the product that are involved. After selecting it, I can apply the particular discounts. Let's say Black Friday discounts, right? And then I click on create package. Just click on it here. Now this will be created for me automatically. So when somebody is checking out, the POS can now choose maybe a package for the person, and then the discount will be calculated automatically, and then the necessary deductions will take place behind the scene. So that's how it works. That's how you make use of the packages and make use of the discount for the packages in Celtic. So it's created successfully. So I now have two packages. One is the facials package with 12% off, another one is back to school package with 23% off, and that's how you create your package with discounts in Celtic. So let's move on to the next video.